Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. I have another question for you today. My question to you today is, do you know what your purpose is? Do you know what you came to this planet for to do? Do you know what your mission is, what your calling is, what your passion is? Do you know what your purpose is? And the reason I'm asking is because a lot of people don't know what their purpose is. You go through school and at a very young age they already ask you, what do you want to be when you grow up? And you come either with an answer or sometimes not. I didn't know what I wanted to be when I grew up, so that meant I took about every subject in school that there was, so that I could be very broad in my interests and there would be a lot of options open to me. But there are people who know that they want to be a fireman or a lawyer or a ballerina or something like that, and then it narrows it down, your focus. But even if you do know what it is that you want to be when you grow up, it can still be that you do not know what your purpose is, that you find yourself working in a job that does not fulfill you, that does not give you satisfaction. I've had clients come to me and tell me, I should be happy. I have everything that I need in order to be happy. I have a good job. I have a nice partner. I have a house that I'm content with. Maybe they even have children or pets or something. And still they are not happy. They are not satisfied. And that is because they are not living their purpose. So a lot of us, we just roll into jobs for various reasons, but it doesn't mean that you're actually living or working your purpose. So that is why today my question to you is, do you know what your purpose is? Do you know what your mission is? Do you know what your calling is? Do you know what you came here to do? I would love it if you would share your thoughts and your insights with me below this video so that we can have a discussion about it. And if you are open to discussing it with a group of peers that is maybe a bit more private and a bit more safe, then I would love it if you would check out the Soulutions program I have. The link is also below this video. And if you are catching this video on YouTube, I would love it if you would just subscribe to my channel so you'll never miss another video again. For today, I wish you an amazing rest of your day, and I'll talk to you again soon.